So before we go ahead, click on the subscribe button, like and share if you've not subscribed by the way. Let's take a look at our EURUSD, our euro to our USD. We can see now we are actually on a drop by the way. If you are to analyze it properly on our daily time frame, we will see that we are now on a downward trend, full trend. Daily time frame, it is a downward trend, right? And we can see that our price was about ranging within this key area here. We can see another area here which was once our resistance level, and here was our support level. If you were following, you would have seen where how we predicted this move, how we were ranging within this area, and now our price has now broken below and it has come to this our low, which is our support level, our support level, which, and it has broken below again. What are we expecting once our price break below our support level is that it will come back to retest this area, and which we have actually gotten. What are we expecting is again is a drop on our euro USD. So on the 25 we are expecting a drop again. That is exactly what I believe. We'll be expecting a drop anytime 25 26, be expecting a huge drop on our euro USD. Now let's take a look at it so you understand it better. This one was a drop, a correction move here. We had another drop here. We're going to take this as a correction. Now we are going to be having another drop again on our euro USD. Now let's take a look at it on our USD index itself to confirm. By the way, we can see that this was an impulse move up. This was a correction, an impulse move up, a correction, right? What are we expecting next on our USD index is an impulse move again. So once we start having that impulse move on our USD index, then definitely our euro USD would actually drop. So once our euro is dropping, our USD is going bullish. Now let's take a look at it. Why I said we would be having a bullish move on our USD index is that this is our eyes. This is our liquidity area here. Our price has actually, tap this area and it's dropped. We very much want to see it go again to hit this our area again, then probably break above it and continue our bullish move or a drop. But that is it on another day. Euro USD, our USD index, we would want to see it actually rally up to take out this our liquidity area here. So that is exactly why we're predicting that once our USD, which is our USD index, or all our USD pairs start pushing up, then our euro USD will start pushing down, because this is a breakout of our support level. Our price came back, push up to test this level, and now we are actually on a bearish move downward again. Now I will be taking it as a 4-hour time frame, by the way. So very much we can see that 4-hour time frame price pushes up, it push down, right, and it is kind of rallying up. So we would want to sit tap to this our area where it has once rejected before, this area here, which is about 100,194. Then once our price rally up there again, we'll be expecting another drop again on our euro USD. So we're expecting it drop on our euro USD for the by the day.